We're just going to continue with halachot which are prevalent to these days. If you remember, on the second day of Pesach, right before Mincha, we spoke at length to do with if a person made a mistake and instead of saying Murida Tal, he said Mashiva Ruach Murida Geshem. So there we spoke about what happens if he only said Mashiva Ruach and then he said Murida Tal. Or, for example, if he actually corrected himself, when can he correct himself? He says Baruch Ata Hashem. Can he say Lamdeni Chukecha? Can you start saying it 90 times in order to accustom yourself that now you have a chazakah? So therefore, afterwards, if it's going to happen that you forget, there's no problem. Whether it's 90, 101, 103, whatever, all the different things that we spoke about, that was to do with Mashiva Ruach Murida Geshem. Now we're going to go to Barech Alenu and Barechenu. We know that Motzei Yom Tov Rishon, we start with Barechenu, and we continue doing that until December 4th or 5th, depends on leap year or not. And Maran brings down on Siman Kuf Yud Zayin Siv Gimel, Im Sha'al Matar Bimot HaChama, Machzirin Oto. Just like we brought down that it's a Siman Kelala to have the mentioning of Geshem during the summertime. Now, even though during the month of Nisan itself it's not a Kelala, but afterwards it is, so therefore from now onwards. So therefore Maran says if we're going to say V'ten Talamata Livrecha, that's a Siman Kelala, therefore you have to go back and you have to start the Amidah again. Here the Halakha just brings down the differences of the halachot. If you remembered during Barech Alenu and you made a mistake, you started Barech Alenu and then you continue. And that's why, by the way, it's always good to use the Machzor. Because the Machzor already has Barechenu already there. Meaning if you're going to take a Patach Eliyahu and then now you have to start guessing. Here you don't have to guess. Until you already get accustomed to it, you have it in the Machzor, what you're supposed to be saying. So therefore what happens? What happens is if you're going to say Barech Alenu and you realized in the middle, you just changed to Barechenu. If you already said Baruch Ata Hashem, then you would have to answer Lamedeni Chukecha and start again Barechenu. If right now you already finished Mevarech Hashanim and you're going to be in the subsequent Berachot, you will go back to Barechenu. And then from Barechenu, you will continue. And if you already finished the Amidah and you said the Yul Ratzon right before the end of the Amidah, you would have to start again the entire Amidah. So again, this is very, very important to pay attention whether you're saying Barechenu or Barech Alenu, because again, you would have to retract and start the Amidah again if you did forget.